So did you get an idea about how to check that onto? Just to give some example why it is not onto. Okay, right? Here, just mathematical representation is enough. No need to draw that Venn diagram. No need there, right? To understanding only I have written. Okay, anyhow.
So one
Any
minute, sir. Sir, you can
yes,
write that side, sir, left side, sir.
is it clear?
So this is an example, sir.
Example,
So this is an example question or exercise question, sir.
exercise question.
Okay, sir.
First one. The second exercise, first question. Continuation. First, we have to show that the given function from R star to R star is 1, 1 and on to, okay, if we replaced the domain by natural number, again we have to check the result whether it is true or not. Nothing but whether it is 1, 1 and on to or not. So when I replace domain by natural number, clearly it is 1, 1 because distinct elements are having distinct images, but whereas there doesn't exist any pre-images for few values, for all values. There does not exist pre-images for all values of y belongs to R star. Nothing
Okay,
but,
sir.
okay, then it is not onto.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so try to understand the concept. What I'm saying that concept, because JEE mains they are asking the question logically. If you know the concept, then you will get the answers, right? Okay, coming to the next questions. This question already we discussed, like second question. Check the injectivity and the surjectivity of the following functions. So f from n to n given by f of x is equal to x square. So what about the first subdivision? Injectivity means 1, 1. Surjectivity means we have to check onto. When we define from n to n, yeah, is that inject 1, 1 and onto or not? Anyone? I explained very clearly, right? First of all, is it 1, 1 from n to n? F of x is equal to x square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Before that, for objective purpose, so we should know about vertical line test. Vertical line test. What does it mean by vertical line test? Why should we use this vertical line test? Then horizontal vertical test. Sorry, horizontal line test. So vertical line test and horizontal line test. So just we have to use these two tests to check the given relation is function or not. Like see here, the vertical line test can be used to check the given relation is function or not. If they given any curve, directly we have to check graphically how to check whether the given relation is function or not. So whether by using horizontal line test, we should check that given function is 1, 1 or not. So very simple. For example, I'm taking x-axis and y-axis. I draw the line like this. It is possible. Like y square is equal to 4ax. Now I want to check whether it is function or not. So vertical line. Draw the vertical line. When I define the relation from R to R. So we get the graph of the curve like this. Y square is equal to 4x. I draw the vertical line. So if you see the vertical line, each line can intersect the given curve at how many points? At how many points?
2 points.
Yes. How many points? So clearly it is intersecting at most 2 points. So, but the condition is when we apply the vertical line test, so the vertical line, whatever the vertical line test is there, it must be intersect at most 1 point. At most 1 point, then only it will be represent the function. Represent the function. Okay, first of all, is it a function?
No, sir.
It is not a function, right? So now to check the one condition alone, so we have to use horizontal line test. For example, I am taking y f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to x square, and define the function from r to r, real numbers, nothing but negative value, positive value, or else you can take z to z. Okay, integers also. So what is the graph of like this is nothing but y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square means it is in the form of x square is equal to 4ay. Again parabola. This is the standard form. So the given curve in the form of standard form nothing but it is open upwards, passing through the origin, and it is U-shaped curve open upwards. Now I am going to draw the horizontal line like that. So here few horizontal lines can meet the given curve at how many points here? How many points? At least one vertical line can intersect more than 1 point. Nothing but what is the meaning of this? If I take here, this is origin 0, 0. If I take this value is y is equal to 1, like 0, comma 1. This point is 0, comma 2, nothing but y is equal to 2. At y is equal to 1, it is having 2 images. Okay, 2 images. And here also, it will be meet at like for two different values of x, there exists only unique y value. For two different values of x, we get a unique y value like that. So x is y is equal to x square. For example, look at here, -1, here function is x square and +1. Substitute -1, the output is 1. Substitute +1, output is 1. So for two distinct x value, there exists unique y value. Here also two distinct x value, positive and negative. There exists only unique y value. In the same here also. So two distinct values of x, there exists only unique y value. Okay, like that. So it is not 1, 1. It is a function. So whether it is function or not, how to check the function? See here, you can draw the vertical lines, vertical line test. If you draw the vertical lines, so every vertical line can intersect at only 1 point maximum. Okay, like this. This is the x-axis, this is y-axis. Now draw the vertical line. Can draw the vertical line. Every vertical line can intersect the given curve at most only 1 point, then it is clearly function. But coming to on to as 1, 1 or not, to check the 1, 1, draw the horizontal line. Okay, for example, if I take the function x cube from r to r, what is the graph of x cube? Graph of f of x is equal to x cube from r to r, real number means minus infinity to plus infinity. So minus infinity to plus infinity. This minus infinity to plus infinity is represent the domain. X-axis will represent the domain and y-axis will give always codomain. Codomain. X-axis is domain. Y-axis will give codomain, and y is equal to f of x is equal to x cube. Nothing but y is equal to x cube. The graph is like this. This is the graph of y is equal to x cube. Now you can see here. First, I want to check whether it is function or not. To check the function, apply vertical line test. Yeah, draw the vertical line. Each and every line can meet the given curve at only at most 1 point, maximum at 1 point. And coming to horizontal line test, I want to check whether it is 1 or not. Use horizontal line test. So if you draw the horizontal lines from minus infinity to plus infinity, so every horizontal line can intersect the given curve at only 1 point, so that it is clearly 1 function by using vertical line test, horizontal line to check the 1 So clearly y is equal to x cube is function as well as 1 also. Nothing but distinct values of x. If we see here distinct values of x, there exist here distinct images, distinct y values. Different values of x, there is a different values of y. So this is the use of vertical line test and horizontal line test. In a advanced level, they maybe give graphical representation, but mains level they don't give. So if the advanced level maximum, not only function concept, it may be calculus, okay, to find maximum value, minimum value. So it may be geometry. Most of the question based on graphical representation. So very important. You should know the graph of each and every function. It may be logarithmic, it may be exponential, it may be inverse function, sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, like hyperbolic function, sin hx, cos hx, okay, tan hx, signum function, like greatest integer function. Graphical representation are very, very important. Okay, clear?